Hello friends, welcome back my channel. My name is Tanjila Islam. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create purple eye makeup tutorial. So you can try and learn this look. Please keep on watching.
So let's get started how I am create this look. First I am taking illegal pro corrector and I am using here there my black circle, my under eyes areas, and I am using here first because I am first start my eye makeup, and I am using here bamboo brush, and it is a floppy brush and it is a very cheap rate in this market. So you can use this brush and you can use every brush of your choice. I am use here my bamboo brush and I am using Dermacol foundation my upper and under eyes, and I am using same bamboo brush, and I am using my under areas, and I am using here just tapping and blending it, not dusting. And I am using here a white eyeshadow. I'm taking Morphe 35E palette white shade, and I am using my brow bone this shade, and I am using same Morphe 35E palette light pink, and I am using here another brush, bamboo brush, and I am using same Morphe palette E35 and using light purple color, and I am blending my eyes, and then I am using more dark and dark. I am using a dark purple, and I'm using a concealer, illegal pro concealer, and I'm using my crease area. This area is inner corner, and I'm using it very well and very nice. I'm love my uh, uh, brush. This brush I'm using concealer. This is a very helpful brush, and I am using MAC brush, and I am using here um, Morphe palette deep pink color and my inner corner. Here using before concealer, and I am using on glitter MAC glitter. My glitter name is MAC, and I am using purple color glitter, and I am using here glue and MAC glitter purple color, and here I am using a MAC brush. This brush is so pretty, and I am using here Morphe 35 palette, same palette, more dark shade, and this is a very pigmented eyeshadow, and I am using here gel eyeliner, my lash areas, upper lash areas. Gel eyeliner name Ash as gel eyeliner, and here I'm using a eyeliner, Lakme eyeliner, and it is in my outer corner, and outer corner are my outer V, and I am using my Asha's gel eyeliner, my waterline, underwater lash line, and I am blending here very well. And then I am using here a light pink shade, and it is blending very well. So here I am using uh, a lot of shade eyeshadow color and my under eyes. Uh, Before I am using my upper under crease and outer and inner corner lot of eyeshadow Morphe palette, and I am using my under area same color. So you can use your eyeshadow of your choice, and I am using here sock mascara, one or two coat. You're using your choice, just your choice. uh, and I am using a legal pro concealer my under areas, because I am start my face makeup, and here I am tapping because I am my dark circle, lot of areas dark circle, so I am using a legal corrector, and I am using false lash, MAC false lash, my lash line, and I am using here Dermacol foundation again because I am not using my face Dermacol, just using my eye areas, but I am using now my full face Dermacol foundation, and I am using Bammbo brush, same brush. And then I am using Illegal Pro Concealer. I am highlighting my eyes areas and my nose areas and my forehead. And I am tapping here because it is no blending. And you are blending this foundation areas, so not it is highlighting look. It is look like a highlighting, so it is tapping. And I am using here some loose powder, and I am using contouring Chanlania palette. This is most favorite palette my, and I am using blush here. This blush name is Professional Makeup. So I am using here highlighting shimmery Miss Rose highlighter, and I am using my nose areas contouring because I am forget my contouring. So I am using here same shimmery Miss Rose highlighter, and I am using my dark circle areas. Here my dark circle, and I am using my forehead because it is very look like beautiful. And I am using here, I am using lipstick purple shade. This lipstick name is Miss Rose. So this is a very pretty color.
Hope you are enjoying this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. You can share my video your friends and family. You can follow me